Hey, my name is Moshe. I'm the creator of the SaddlePod. I'm here to announce the official launch of our Kickstarter campaign. Other saddlebags on the market are not water resistant. They lose their shape season after season, and they're a hassle to take on and off the bike. With the SaddlePod's hard shell exterior, you've got water resistant and easy access to your gear. Our goal at Full Gas with this Kickstarter is to further advance the technology of the SaddlePod with various sizes, colors, as well as different attachment accessories. The SaddlePod attaches to your bike via our universal, patent-pending saddle rail mount. Here at Full Gas, the plan for the future is to take on-the-bike storage to the next level. From the Full Gas family to yours, we want to thank you for your generous contributions, and we're ready to ride with you, and let's go full gas.